Ready to jump into the action-packed world of Marvel Rivals? Here's how to download and install it in your PC in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the official Marvel Rivals website and then click Download. You can download it from the different game launchers present in your PC. Since I do have Epic Games in mind, I'll have it downloaded from my Epic Games launcher. Once you're in your Epic Games launcher, you'll see the required system requirements for your Marvel Rivals to load. Make sure you're up to date or the game won't launch in your PC. Then, click Get to add it to your library. It's free, so no worries. Once you've ordered, you can now view it in your library. And then, click Install. Choose your preferred location and let the download finish. Once installed, hit Launch, and boom! You're ready to battle it out with your favorite Marvel heroes and villains. And that's it! Easy, right? See you in the next one!